everybody, we are at Walgreens and I'm here to share with you guys some deals. There's some good deals, there's some okay deals. I'm gonna try to push the Ibotta deals. I only need 40 more rebates to hit my 140 bonus. 40 more rebates, you guys. If I get 20 this week and next week, I will definitely get my $45 bonus. So that is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go inside, share with you guys some deals, and then I'll come back, show you my haul, and then I will also have a printable breakdown for you guys. So let's go shopping. If you guys are interested in like a little gift or whatever for somebody, these are regular price $10.99. They're on sale for 30% off, which makes it $7.69. We do have a $4 off digital coupon that you guys can end up using. Comes out to be just $3.69. That's like maybe $1, $10, $11, whatever a piece. Here we have the soft soap, hand soap. So we have some for $2.99 at buy one get one 50% off, and we have the ones that are $1.99 at buy one get one 50% off. So you can choose however you want to do it, but we do have a $1.75 digital coupon that you can end up using. If you do the $2.99, you'll buy 4 of them, use that 75% off digital coupon. You'll pay $8.22, but when you purchase 4 of them, you get a $4 cash rewards, making them just $4.22 or $1.05 each. If you do the $1.99 ones, you'll buy that, use the 75% off digital coupon, pay $5.22, you get the $4 cash rewards, making it all just $1.22 or 30 cents each. So we have the Dove spray for 2 for $11. You actually want to buy 3 of them. And then we have a 2 off of 3 digital coupon that you guys would want to use. You end up paying $4.50. But there is an Ibotta deal that does end soon where you get $2.50 back with a limit of 3. And then you get a $5 register reward when you purchase 3 of them. Comes out to be just $2 or 66 cents each. So here we have the $3 sale toothpaste. We also have toothbrushes for $3, and we also have the smaller bottles of mouthwash for $3. My store only has 2 of the mouthwash and 1 of the $3 toothbrushes, so I'm going to do this deal. You want to do this deal for the $6 off of 4 digital coupon. So you'll buy 4 of them. You pay $6, but then when you purchase 3 of them, you end up getting a $5 register reward. So 4 of these come out to be just $1 or 25 cents each. Here we have the Colgate toothpaste on sale for $3.99. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you'd want to use. You end up just paying $3.98, but then you get a $4 cash rewards when you purchase 2 of them. So your final price comes out to be for free. The Palmolive dish soap is on sale this week for 99 cents. We do have a 50% off digital coupon. You'll just get this tiny little bottle for just 49 cents. A great stocking stuffer if you like to give some of your stockpile stuff away. So we have the Purex on sale for buy one get one free. The pods are $5.99. So you guys would pay $5.99 or $6. Then you get a $2 cash rewards. It comes out to be just $3.99 or like $2 each. These ones would be $2.25 each, and these ones would be $2.50 each, depending on how you want to do the deal. So we have the Mentos Vitamins, the orange ones. These are either 2 for $6 or it looks like they're $3.99 each. We do have a deal with Shopkicks, which I have a video part that's not using it, but you get 615 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $2.46. So if you prefer to buy just the one for $3.99, it comes out to be just $1.53. If you end up if you're gonna buy 2 of them, you're gonna end up just paying $3.54, or it's gonna be $1.77 each, depending on what you want to do. Check your Neutrogena clearance. So I have these eyeliners on clearance for $2.49. My store also has these Bright Perfection things, but we're gonna do these right here. We also have a Walgreens coupon for $2 off of 2. So you're gonna use that. You'll end up just paying $2.98, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta with a limit of 3, so you'll get $4 back with Ibotta, making this a $1.02 moneymaker. So here we have the Nautica Oceans for $9.99 on sale for 20% off, making it $7.99. I tried scanning the product, but I couldn't find it on the app, but I did search for it. So it says right here $7.99, but then there is $3.50 coupons or a $2 off digital coupon that you're going to use. So let's say it's going to take off the $3.50 off digital coupon. That makes it $4.49, but with you scan it with your Ibotta app, there's two rebate that pops up for it. It is a $2 and a $3. So you'll end up just getting $5 back. This comes out to be a 50-cent moneymaker. Here we have the Cheez-It Grooves on sale for 3 for $5. You guys would pay $5, but then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta with a limit of 5. So you guys would end up just getting $1.50 back, making all 3 bags just $3.80. Actually, I messed it up. Sorry, $5, and then you get the $1.50 back, making it $3.50. Comes out to be, why can't I do the math all of a sudden? Because I'm being crazy. Comes out to be just $1.16 a bag if you guys need some snacks. If you guys need some soda, they have the 7-Up and Squirt on sale for 3 for $3.99. You pay $9.99 or 3 for $9.99. You'll pay $9.99. But if you guys need some Ibotta rebates, there's 75 cents off of that. So you get if you buy 3 of them, you'll get it 75, 75, 75, and it comes out to be just $7.74. So that comes out to be just $2.58 a pack. We also have the small little cans, 2 for $5, and you get a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta. So you'll just get these for $4.50 if you want to buy those too.
Hello everybody, welcome to my Walgreens haul. I'm pretty excited. It was a moneymaker. You guys know I'm really pushing my Ibotta rebates. I got 4 rebates. I got some money makers with those rebates. So let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. Okay, we're just gonna dump everything out because that's the way I like to go. So the first deal that you guys want to do if you do this, now I've been seeing all these people do these deals where like 2 rebates pop up. I tried scanning this stuff last week, nothing popped up, but this week they both popped up. So these right now are $9.99. They're 20% off, making them $7.99. There is a $3.50 off digital coupon that you'd want to use. You'll end up just paying, why did I not write that price down? It's in the video. Sometimes I get so excited that I don't write the prices down because I just have it on my phone doing the math. So you guys will pay $4.49, but there is 2 Ibotta rebates, one for $2 and one for $3. So this comes out to be a 51-cent moneymaker if you guys want to do that. I also got one that was a $2 digital coupon that I used for the second one. So if you guys need some like easy gifts or something that you want to give, doesn't smell that bad. So I got those. My husband likes Nautica, so I got those for him for a Christmas gift. The next deal you guys want to do that is an easy freebie is you want to check out your store's clearance. Now, my store had a couple Neutrogena items. I'm like, oh, let's just scan Ibotta and see if there's anything that we can do for these. So these were on clearance. These are the navy blue. It's called Deep Navy, but these are on clearance for $2.49. There is currently a 2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You can either add it to your card or you can scan the booklet, but you'll use that. You'll end up just paying $2.98, but with Ibotta, there is a $2 rebate and a $2 rebate with Ibotta. These come out to be just $1.02 moneymaker. You guys will make a profit off of these if you want to get some freebies. And there's one more moneymaker, maybe? No? Okay, I thought that was another moneymaker. But anyways, here's a great deal if you guys want to go ahead and do the Dove deodorant. Now this deal does end soon on Ibotta. So these were 2 for $11, okay? You want to buy 3 of them. There's currently a 2 off of 3 digital coupon. You would pay $14.50, but with Ibotta you get $2.50, $2.50, and $2.50 back. And you were supposed to get a $5 register reward. The register reward for me did not print, so they just gave me points for it. But it comes out to be just $2 or 66 cents each. And then if you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, which I haven't yet, you'll get bonus points for that too. So got that. I did the Colgate toothpaste deal. These were $3.99. I used a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. you would pay $3.98, but then you get $4 cash rewards. Comes out to be absolutely free. I'm just doing this by memory because I'm like, where did I write this down? But these come out to be for free. Now here's a great deal if you guys need some soap. Make sure your soap cover is tight because I always lose soap over this. So these are on sale this week for 99 cents. There is a 50-cent off digital coupon. You'll just get this for 49 cents. Yes. Okay, I did the Crest deal, the Scope deal, the Oral-B. Now these are all on sale this week for $3. You want to buy that? I had a 6 off of 4 digital coupon that I used, so you want to use that. You'll end up just paying $6, but you will get the $5 register reward, wherever mine is. You will get the $5 register reward for that when you purchase 3 of them. So these come out to be just $1 or 25 cents a piece. So my store only had one $3 toothbrush and only 2 $3 mouthwashes. So I'm like, okay, we're just gonna do it that way. So we get it that way. And then here's a great deal if your kids or somebody likes Mentos, especially the orange flavored ones. These are on sale for 2 for $6. Otherwise they're $3.99. I just got them for $3.99 because I don't know if my kid will like these anyways. But with Shopkicks, there's 615 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $2.46. This comes out to be just $1.53. There was an option to watch a video to get a bonus, but I tried clicking on it and it wasn't working. I don't know if it was just the internet service or not, but we got that. And then the last deal I got is the soft soap. Now you guys want to buy 4 of them. They are buy one, get one 50%. These ones are $1.99. The larger ones are $2.99. There is a 75-cent off digital coupon that you want to use. You'll end up just paying $5.22 for the 4 of these, but then you get a $4 cash rewards, making it just $1.22 or 30 cents each. Cannot pass up that deal. Okay, so that was my haul, you guys. I'm pretty excited. It was small, but considering we didn't get any insert coupons this week and it's Christmas week and usually that's a bad week, I'm pretty excited. So my total for altogether came to $37.35. I did not pay that price. I always pay with points and I always pay with register rewards, but that price is not factored in with any of those. I did receive $10 worth of register rewards. He gave me points for the missing 5,000, so 10. I received $13.21 of the cash rewards. One for the soft soap and then one for the Colgate. And then I had, I think if you spent so much, you got 6 or something. I can't remember what it was, but I got that. And then with Ibotta, I received $21.50. I got 4 rebates? 4 rebates, right? No, 3 rebates. I can't remember. I got one for the Dove. Oh yeah, 4 rebates. 2 for the Nautica, 1 for the Neutrogena, and 1 for the Dove. So I got 4 rebates, you guys. I'm like super excited I'm there. And then with Shopkicks, I received $2.46. So altogether, my total came to $9.82. Moneymaker. I made money. I was so excited. Yeah, so basically for those rebates, I needed 140 rebates to finish off that one bonus. I have 104 now, so that's awesome. I just need 36 more. And then there is a candy cane bonus where I need 42, and I'm currently at 23 rebates. So it's awesome. It's getting awesome to be awesome. But anyways, I hope you guys can get some great deals. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.